Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi because AirPlay uses local discovery. Once done, update the Fire TV OS and install AirScreen or enable built-in AirPlay. This exposes the service. Then enable Discovery and set a clear device name so your iPhone or Mac can find it quickly. Restart the Fire TV to register settings. This step prevents stale cache issues. Doing these steps first makes the rest of the process fast and predictable. Now pair your device. Open Control Center or the Mac AirPlay menu and select the Fire TV name you created. If a code appears on screen, enter it. This authenticates the session and prevents accidental connections. Choose mirroring for full screen or playback for audio/video only. If the device doesn't appear, disable VPNs, guest Wi-Fi, or AP isolation on your router because those block device discovery. Once connected, adjust mirroring resolution and bandwidth settings, if available, to reduce lag. Finish by testing playback in multiple apps to isolate app-specific issues. Sometimes streaming apps block AirPlay. Make sure audio routing and aspect ratio are correct, and toggle mirroring quality if frames drop. If problems persist, force quit affected apps, restart the AirPlay service on the Fire TV app, and reboot both devices to clear transient network states. And one critical troubleshooting tip. If devices can't discover each other, check your router and disable AP isolation or enable MDNS.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.